Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow your device to automatically update the system. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite a normal situation. If you want to turn them on, we've got either the tutorial of how to do it, or I can explain it to you right now very fastly. So you just have to go to About the phone, find the MIUI version, keep tapping on it, and then you will unlock the developer options. But if you do not feel so sure about my explanation, just check our tutorial of how to enable the developer options and come back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply swipe a little bit down, and as you can see, we've got the automatic system updates, which are right now turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment they are active, so it means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you do not have to worry about that. Just turn off your device and turn it on later on. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.